are, of course, many ways to get to the right answer on this question, including algebra and working backwards from the answer choices, but I'm only going to show the way that I think is most transferable to other questions and harder questions. So to start, let's set up a ratio for everything that's going on here. The first change was an increase of 1/4. So if I call my base 4, we're going up by 1. This is all in the world of ratios. So that gets us to 5 ratio units in 2003. And unfortunately, now we have a decrease of 1/3. And the reason I say unfortunately is because 1/3 of 5 is not an integer. But if I expand everything that I have so far by a factor of 3, now I could say that 1/3 of 15 is 5. We're losing 5, which gets us to 10. Now, we know that the actual number of employees at the end, in 2006, is 100, and we want to know what the number was in 2000. Now that we know that 10 ratio units represent 100, we can infer that the scale factor for our ratio is 10, and when we apply that to the year 2000, we get the correct answer, which is 120. If you found this video useful, go to quantreasoning.com for a lot more where that came from. You should also click that like button and let me know in the comments below what you'd like me to make future videos about. And of course, if you haven't yet subscribed, go ahead and do that and click that bell below so you get notified about future videos. See you next time.